So in today's video, we'll learn about how to debug the Node.js application from that will make use of JavaScript debug terminals that is available here. In certain scenarios, it might be not showing over here. So for that, press Ctrl Shift P. It will open type JavaScript debug terminals and you select this one. It will open it here. I will run this file using nodemon 0 hello.js. So it will start a debugger attached for my file, and we can have debug breakpoints added over here. So now my application has started. Or if I go here and hit my URL, it will come in. So using this, I can debug easily. You can see the check the values also here. See that. That's it. Thank you.